Subscribe to click on the bell icon. The most sensitive area is the skin of our lips from the rest of the body. And this is the reason anything bad affects our lips easily. Our lips do not have sweat glands, and so we use creams and lip balms to keep them moisturized. People who do not take care of their lips or have dry lips, then their lips start to turn dark. The sunlight and the UV rays from the sun also affect the skin on our lips because the skin on our lips is very thin and the sun affects it and makes it dark mostly during summers. People who use a lot of medicine and cosmetic products, they also face the same problem and darken their lips in the process. Some bad habits like smoking, consuming alcohol, and consuming tea or coffee daily are the biggest reason of dark spots and darkness on the lips. And with that, pigmentation, melasma, or bad food habits also change the natural color of our lips. Whatever the reason for the dark spots or dark lips, it's important to cure this problem both from outer body and inner body to make the lips beautiful and pink again. So in this video, we will share some very effective homemade remedies, and with their first use, you will notice a good difference in the color of your lips. We'll also share some important tips and precautions, and if you keep them in mind, then your lips will be pink and beautiful forever. So let's take a look at the first remedy. All the natural things which are red in color like tomato, beetroot, rose, and strawberry improve the color of our lips, but only beetroot is best known to bring the natural color back on the lips. Because the best part of its juice is that if it's used regularly, then our lips start absorbing the red color, and during the night it works faster. To use this vegetable, take a slice of beetroot, then make 5 to 6 cuts on the slice with a knife, as this helps excrete the juice from the beetroot. After that, on that slice, put a little milk, cream and honey and spread it and put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Then the remedy will be ready. So every night before going to bed, apply the mixture of milk, cream and honey from the beetroot on your lips. And in some time, you will start to notice that the darkness and dark spots from your lips will start fading away. And by using only one slice of beetroot, it can be used for one whole month. We have used milk, cream and honey for the remedy because both of these ingredients not only remove the darkness from the lips, but these also soften the lips. If you use this remedy during the night, then with the first use itself, you will find a difference the next day. As red things give red color to our lips, just like that, green things remove the darkness from our lips. And green coriander and peppermint are best known for that. So for the remedy, take 1 cup green coriander leaves and 1 cup peppermint leaves and grind them in a blender to make their paste. Once the paste is ready, take 1 tablespoon coconut oil, add half tablespoon petroleum jelly, followed by 2 tablespoon green coriander and peppermint paste, and mix all these ingredients together and the remedy will be ready. In case you do not have petroleum jelly, then you can use glycerin also. This paste should be applied on the lips every night before going to bed. The reason we have used coconut oil in this remedy is because coconut oil has skin lightening properties which help remove the dark spots from the skin. If this remedy is used for 1 week regularly, then it helps remove the dryness and darkness from the lips and our lips start turning pink naturally. If you want these remedies to work faster than normal, or if you want to get rid of the darkness on the lips and get natural pink lips in the first use, then before applying the remedy, it's important to exfoliate the lips. Because exfoliation helps remove the dead skin from our lips and it also increases the blood circulation. This process also helps any homemade remedy to take fast effect. There are 2 ways to scrub the lips for exfoliation. For the first procedure, we will need rose water, honey, lemon juice, and cotton cloth or towel. First, take rose water, lemon juice and honey in equal quantity and mix them together. Then take a cotton cloth or towel and wrap a corner around your finger and soak it with this mixture and massage it gently on the lips for 10 to 15 minutes. After the massage, you will notice a change in your lips. The reason we're using a cotton cloth or a towel for scrubbing is because it has rough texture, but it does not harm the lips in any manner and removes the dead skin from the lips easily. If you massage your lips with this process twice or thrice in a week, then your lips will remain dark spots free, and no matter how long your lips have been dark, they will lighten and there will be a huge difference than before. And after massaging the lips, it's really important to moisturize our lips. And if you want, then after the massage, you can use the beetroot or green coriander remedy from this video. Now let's take a look at another remedy to exfoliate the lips, and for that we will need lemon, olive oil, coffee powder, and sugar. For the recipe, first grind the sugar and make its powder, but make sure that you do not grind it all the way, as its granules should be smaller like salt. It should not be fine powder. Then take 1 tablespoon lemon juice, add 1 tablespoon olive oil, followed by 1 tablespoon coffee powder, and add 1 tablespoon sugar powder. Then mix all these ingredients together and the natural lip scrub will be ready. This natural scrub should be used every day to massage the lips gently for 10 to 15 minutes, and after the massage, apply a lip balm or moisturizer on the lips. If you want, then after the massage, you can use other remedies also. This scrub helps remove the dark spots and patches from the lips, and it also gives a natural shine to the lips and softens them. Apart from this, to remove the pigmentation, patches, and darkness from the lips, make a mixture of clarified butter and salt and apply it on the belly button before going to bed every night. By performing this remedy every day, you will notice a difference on the lips. Our belly button is the center of our body, which can be used to cure many diseases, and it also affects our skin. People who mostly have dry lips or have cuts on the lips, they should always apply mustard oil on their belly button before going to bed. And by performing this remedy for 1 week, you can get rid of the dryness on the lips forever. All the remedies shared in this video are really beneficial for our lips and help bring the natural color back on them. Apart from this, we will be making more videos on how to take good care of our lips, wherein we will share 2 homemade lip balm remedies which will be handy to get the natural red color on the lips. We will also share 10 things which promote dark spots and patches on the lips. On that note, I hope these remedies help you and make your life better. Leave a like if you like this video, share this video with the people in need. If you have any questions or suggestions, do let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe.